There once was a little bird named Tiko who hadn't flown in weeks. Every time he tried, he would wobble and fall. So he stopped trying altogether. One day, an old turtle asked, "Why don't you fly, little one?" Tiko sighed and said, "I don't think I'm meant to." The turtle chuckled and said, "You're not meant to stay grounded. You're just scared because you forgot how strong you are." Tycho looked up at the sky, closed his eyes, took a breath, and jumped. And to his surprise, he didn't fall this time. Not because he learned something new, but because he finally believed in himself again. Moral of the story, don't let fear clip your wings. You were born to fly.